out here on the laser, and it's a little bit noisy, so I'll probably dub over this. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys a couple more tricks. One is how to line up, you get something square towards the middle of your laser bed. So I've got an Epilogue Pro 48-inch wide table, and I'm going to show you what I do to square things up when I don't want to put it up in the top left-hand corner, which is a lot of times what I'll do, but this time I want it out towards the middle. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, here's my table. See, it's 48 inches wide and it's 36 inches from top to bottom. And usually I go right up there to the corner to line things up. But sometimes it's more beneficial to line them up out here in the middle of the bed. For this particular session, that's what I want to do. And I'm going to show you how I do that. Especially if you got a lot of parts to do instead of just one or two. So I've got this T-square and it's adjustable. You can see the knob there. You can slide this bar up and down, and you can change the angle if you want to. So anyway, I've just got it set at a 90-degree angle here and butted up against the left-hand side of the table. Over here is where I want to put the parts, right about underneath my camera there for the lid camera to track. So I don't want to just leave this in here because it sticks up a little bit where that knob is. I want something pretty thin, at least as thin or thinner than what I'm going to be cutting on. So I've got these squares from an earlier project that I did, or rectangles. I'm just going to butt that one up right there. Just put it right here. And then, I'm sorry, let's put it this direction. And then I want to butt the other one up right next to it. So you can see that these make a square right here, and that's where I want to put my work. So to keep those secure, you put this camera down real quick. This is one more thing you can use painter's tape for. So I'm going to peel off a small piece of tape. I'm going to tape this one down to the bed. Now some people can use magnets for this, but my cutting bed is aluminum, so magnets won't work. Take another piece. Just tape it up here on the top. Then let's tape this piece on this side. Put another piece like right here. Just put this across the corner probably. Make sure that's buttoned up against there. And then just to be safe, I'm going to pull this down a little bit. Put one more piece down at the bottom. Just like that. That's all it takes. Then, for example, if I need to line something up, square it up right there in the middle, there it is. I can engrave on that, pull it away. Put a new one up there, same thing. Pretty easy, pretty simple, but just thought I'd throw that out there in case you haven't thought of it. Thanks, and please subscribe and like this channel so I can make more video content. If you want to know anything, see anything particular, please comment down below. We'll see you next time. Thanks.